You don't need extreme diets. You don't need 2-hour workouts. You need the right first steps. If you're starting weight loss for the first time or restarting for the 10th time, this video will save you months of frustration. Beginners fail because they cut food too hard. Starting increases cravings and slows fat loss. Eat regular meals. Reduce junk, not food. Consistency beats restriction. Protein keeps you full and protects metabolism. Add protein to every meal. Less hunger equals easier fat loss. You don't need the gym to start. Walking improves fat burning and reduces stress. 30 to 45 minutes daily. Simple movement works. Liquid calories don't fill you up. They just add fat. Juices, soft drinks, fancy coffees, water, tea, coffee. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones. You eat more without realizing it. 7 to 8 hours when possible. Fat loss starts with recovery. You don't need perfection. You need repeatable habits. Master these basics, and your body responds fast. If this helped, like and subscribe to FlipFit Yourself. Comment "Start" if you want a beginner meal plan and walking routine.